So how do you set the California time zone on the iPhone? Let's get started. If you are brand new on this channel, most definitely subscribe because I don't want you to miss the videos like this one in the future. Well, on your iPhone, just go to the settings app where you can locate the general section of your settings, and from those options, you get to find the date and a time. And as usual, at the top, we have the 24-hour time frame or like time selection. This is kind of irrelevant, but below we have the time zone with the automatic toggle. And if you have the automatic selection enabled, it will just switch the time to wherever you are at the moment, like geographically. So if you want to switch it to California time or any other time, just turn off the automatic selection and tap on the time zone. Right? You get to pick like any city, so you can literally just type it into the search, like it might be LA or anything else, right? Within California, and you're gonna get to that time. So it's gonna allow you to switch to that time zone, even though you don't happen to be at that location. So this might cause some complications if you're physically not there, because your phone will technically not display your current local time, but it is what it is, and that's how you can change it. At any time, you can switch back to your local time by choosing the automatic option, and that's how it works. So let me know in the comments below if you manage to make it work on your device. Most definitely subscribe for more tutorials and videos like this one, and I'll see you later.